Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Director Chief IVF Consultant Jingeh Janitva IVF Center Guwahati Assam ke Dr. Arpita Sarma minta kelawan kenang senang bak Syllok ban aya kubor ke baha syiki syijur ki bamla satya ban yok Khun na kada ko jing lingki. Limbaga ke channel jongi ke Batesi TV ke Dr. Arpita Sharma kelapha ia ke kubor syiki syijur ki bam yok Khun show la bon snam hadim gladap ya tho shongkurim kelap ban wan Children's Hospital ke jaga sumar ke ban hakash nong pok se Syllok ban ya Syllok komnu ban ajing sumar ki la daga jing bam yok Khun ke na jing lingki jonga kin thai la ne na ushin rang. Naga benta ke jing tip ke bakham benya philaban book ik appointment ke jong phi daga ba telephone hau number khandai lai khandai san pra iwe not ar but pra nyo lai iwe khandai hinriu ar nyo iwe pra.
Hello, I am Dr. Arpita Sharma, Director, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. So we all know that infertility is a health problem like diabetes and hypertension. And it's thought that infertility is a problem of the older couples. But nowadays we are seeing that it is growing among the younger couples too. But the sad part is most of the couples are not aware of the treatment options that are available for the fertility issues. So infertility could be multifactorial. It could be male factor oriented, it could be female factor 40% each, and 10% could be unexplained. And nowadays we are seeing that so many women are getting menopause at an early age. But the good part is that there are so many treatment options nowadays available after menopause also. So you can have a pregnancy after you have a menopause. So that's a very good part. So I want to share a good news that Janitva IVF Center will be available in Children's Hospital in Syllok with all the fertility options. We carry a very good success rate with our IVF treatments. So you can explore our treatment options in Children's Hospital itself. So I'll be available every second Saturday in Children's Hospital for consultation. So thank you.